Wow, that tastes so good. Right, let's try and rip some. This looks epic. Wow, this tastes well nice. Don't know what this thing is, but it looks like cheese. Is it like a massive donut?
Yeah.
Like a yum yum? Like a yum yum, but filled with Nutella. Oh, babe, that's that thing that we want to try. The potato thing. I have to try the potato thing. Cześć, dzień dobry. To proszę, one? So it's like potato, which is like deep fat fried and with seasoning. Oh, dziękuję. Oh, that's like put a seasoning on it, I don't know.
Cheese? That's cheese.
Cheese, put cheese on it.
I don't know what we're doing.
And then ketchup.
Just like a potato. I don't think that's how you do it.
Oh, exactly how you do it. Oh, it's lovely. I think Kelly's enjoying that.
God, what's that?
It's so lush. Super excited, that looks amazing. It's gonna be tasty. Dziękuję bardzo. Right, let's try and rip some. This looks epic, but I'm not really sure.
It's got like almonds. Oh wow.
Chocolate and almonds I went for. Is that good?
I'm messing around already.
Let me have a bit. Wow, this tastes well nice. It's like a really soft pastry, dipped in sugar, chocolate, and almonds. There is literally
I'm covered in it.
an almond. There's an almond in her hair.
Why though?
How did you? How did you do this?
I have no idea.
This is lovely. Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really like.
It's light. I like that a lot. Can't even pronounce what it is, so I'll have to just put it on the screen what it's called. This is delicious.
Can you help me?
That's amazing. Wow.
It's like bacon.
Wow. Cześć, dobry wieczór. Czy pan mówi po niemiecku? No? One, to proszę?
Cheese and bacon.
Thank you.
And
What's that?
plain?
Cranberry.
Yes,
Yeah,
oh, cranberry,
thank
yes.
you. Lovely. You got your wallet
Wow,
side,
what
don't
is
you?
that? That's so cool. I don't know what it is. That looks so cool. We don't know what it is, but we're going for it.
Is that it?
Wow, that looks so cool. Yeah. Dziękuję bardzo. We don't know what this is, but it's like a popular street food here in Zakopane. What is it? We don't have a clue.
Oh god. Oh. Oh my god. It's just cheese.
It's cheese.
That's cheese.
It's cheese. Oh, is it? I thought it was something sweet.
I thought it was like a pastry.
Oh, it's like a lump of cheese or something.
It's nice.
Wow. It's kind of like a lump of Swiss cheese grilled
But I
with
don't know
bacon
what else is inside.
and cranberry sauce.
Right.
Wow.
I want to put that sauce. Like,
So tasty.
on
Now we've got one, same thing but with bacon. This is going to be
Really?
epic.
well,
Is that good?
pure fat.
Pure fat. Wow, that's amazing. Ah, it's lush. More.
Just share one.
Yeah, we're sharing Nutella one, shall we?
Yeah.
Cześć, dobry wieczór. Nutella? Tak. Dziękuję bardzo.
What is it? It's like a giant donut.
So cool. Is it like a massive donut?
Yeah.
Like a yum yum? Like a yum yum, but filled with Nutella. How much was that? 6.50 zloty. Look at that. Oh, how the hell? Oh my god. Yeah. That's basically a yum yum if you've ever had a yum yum. Basically a yum yum filled with Nutella. No. Oh, it's so tasty.
It's very yum yum.
Amazing.